So welcome to the weekly challenge. This will be something that I'm going to be posting weekly. And sometimes there may be sheet music involved along with it. In this first one, I'm not going to do any sheet music. Just going to make it a little bit simple. All right? Now, these challenges, you can choose to participate in or not. All right? It's not required. It's just something to give you a little bit something different to practice. All right? And you know, all of them will have a purpose, either technique or rhythm or improvisation, So today's challenge is a technique challenge. So we all know, playing major scales. I've talked about, piano essentials and making sure you own your major scales and all of that. We also know about our hand exercises and stuff like that. But we can also practice our scales in broken thirds. And I want to show you how to do that. This is a great exercise to work at. We're just going to do it in the right hand for right now. We're just going to use the C major scale. So basically the challenge is, see if you could do this by the end of the week. So it's... Okay? So see if you could do that by the end of the week. Pretty easy challenge. I mean, it's kind of intermediate, not absolute beginner, but also not too advanced. Notice the fingering here. It's 1 and 2, then 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 5, then 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 5. So if you wanted to practice a scale in harmonic thirds like that, that's how you would do it. So 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 5, 1 and 2. So you see how 3 and 5 to 1 and 2, that's a challenge there, isn't it? Then 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 5. And you just come down exactly the same fingers that you just went up with. So that's harmonic, which means you're basically playing chords, all right? Melodic is broken like this. 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 5, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 5. Coming down, usually you don't repeat the top note, okay, so it'd be... Okay, so it'd be like that, so you're ending... And then you go up to the pinky, then middle finger, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Now you could do this on any scale, on G, even on, say, B flat. 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 5, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 5. Okay, so you still use that same fingering no matter what key you're doing it in. There's G flat. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Okay? Now with the left hand, it's the same thing. It's just, opposite fingers. So it'll be 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5. Oops. Practicing the scales in those broken thirds is really good. It's great for your technique, it's great for your fluidity and dexterity, but it's also great to be able to utilize that in kind of like improvisation. Here's a B flat 7 chord. Or a C7 chord. Here I'm coming right down that Mixolydian scale. Yeah. I can use those broken thirds. I can bring that into my improvisation. So just another little technique trick for you. So try that challenge. Post your results. You can record a video of yourself. Make sure you put the video as unlisted. You could post it right in the forum where you'll find this challenge, and then just kind of post it right on below. Or, you know, just kind of like write in and say, you know, if you have any questions or if you, you know, how you're doing with it. Let us know how you're doing. Look forward to seeing your results, and I'll see you guys next.